Welcome! In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings. In here, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, and then select Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will bring up a list of data that will be removed by this process. So if you see anything on here that you want to preserve, maybe things like music, photos, or user data, I do recommend creating a backup copy of it before you begin or go any further. And you can just do that by plugging in your device to your computer and copying basically all the folders from the phone, so you have them secure. You can also do a Google backup if you want to on the device, but keep in mind, I don't think this backs up everything, so something to keep in mind. Anyway, I'm gonna select Erase All Data. Now it does give you a message letting you know that this will basically remove everything and cannot be undone, so just be very mindful. And we can select Erase All Data once more, and this will now begin resetting the device. Now resetting on ASUS is a very quick process and only takes about like 10 to 20 seconds to finish up. So in about 10 more seconds it should be done. And it's basically finished. We're just waiting, there we go, for the screen. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.